Meaning of Houdini.
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 Houdini. Houdini refers to Harry Houdini, a famous magician and escape artist who lived in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. He was known for his ability to escape from seemingly impossible situations, such as locked boxes and handcuffs. Today, the term Houdini is often used metaphorically to describe someone who is skilled at getting out of difficult or dangerous situations. In popular culture, the name Houdini has become synonymous with magic and illusion, and his legacy continues to inspire performers and enthusiasts around the world.